Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to Lady B Gardening. I'm going to show you a video of how to prune your aubergine. This is aubergine ivory. As you can see, it's very bushy at the moment and I need to do some pruning. So how do you prune your aubergine? It's pretty easy. Just like tomatoes, as you can see, this plant, you got the main stem, and you got the branch, and you got this little bit here, which is also called the sucker, just like tomatoes. And what you want to do is you want to remove this bit off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pruning tools. This is my pruning tools. Let's get this open. And what you want to do is just put it in there and you just cut off, and that's it. That's how you remove your aubergine so you can have hair circulation. As you can see, this particular aubergine is very bushy, but there's no hair circulation, so that's what I'm going to be doing, is to remove the I've got another sucker here, but unfortunately you can see it's got some flowers here. So this would have been the suckers, but what I would do is I just remove this branch and cut it off and allow this to grow. So what I would do is I remove this. But you got all the suckers, like that one, you got a sucker there. Let's see if I can move this over. The plants are going wild. So you can see you got stem, you got the branch, and you've got the main stem, and you've got the sucker here in between. So this I will remove. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty easy. That's how to remove your sucker from your aubergine plant to provide air circulation for your plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye.